man now. I pay for my own bills. I'm independent. I don't need nobody's permission. I'll talk about whatever I want to talk about, what is important to me. I'm not doing that to impress anyone. I'm not even doing that to make money. That is a real man. You see what I'm saying? A lot of guys won't be able to do that.
No.
Because you know why? They have too much stuff to prove. I don't have shit to prove, bro.
Yeah.
This is Mo. Like it or you leave it. But that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm not being arrogant here. I'm saying, like, I knew that I have to be independent first before I can say that.
Yeah.
Being independent takes a lot of push. You have a lot of push punching, you know, a lot of struggle, stabilize, you know, you're now independent, you're depending on yourself. You have your own shit going on.
Yeah.
Then you can say that. If you're depending on your woman, you can't never say that.
And a lot of men do depend on their woman. Wholeheartedly. And what I was gonna say was, you know, when like you said, women was attracted to this man because this man was just going, and women are attracted to ambition.
Not only that, it makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Ambition, somebody who has a pathway,
Yeah.
so that she can be emotional with you.
Yeah.
Or else she has to create a pathway. Like when she's creating a pathway, she can't be emotional and loving and nurturing because now she's in the real world. Real world is it's not easy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And I feel like, I don't know, it might be because of my dad. As a man, I want to take care of my family. I want to be the provider. She can choose to go and work and do whatever she wants to do if she wants to. But if she doesn't want to work and she wants to stay at home and just chill out, she should be able to because I got that shit.
Yeah. Shit taken care of.
I want to be that guy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't want to be that guy like, oh shit, we're in a relationship, she quits her job, like we're fucked. What kind of man are you?
Yeah.
That's not what my dad was. It's not that's the wrong way of becoming a man, or this is the right way of becoming a man. That's not what my dad was. I didn't see that.
So you didn't see that.
Dude, my dad, when he's at home, nobody can touch me.
So you had a dad, those who don't. Like you said, they need to be around men and see that. But what happens when boys get around boys? The blind leading the blind.
You have to just walk that pathway. We walked it too.
Yeah.
You can't escape it.
Life will catch up with you.
Yeah, and then but you have to be seeking.
Yeah.
To. With maturity, you will realize that okay, now I wanna become something else. Then you have to be seeking to find those kind of friends to hang out with. I don't hang out with anybody other than you.
Yeah.
Because I'm independent. I don't need to hang out with anybody.
Yeah.
I hang out with my bosses.
And essentially, like, and this is for the viewers, and this is your channel, like, you don't have to hang out with me. You choose to. You like, hey, I want to hang out with you.
Okay, but let me just tell you the truth. I specifically now, from now on going forward, I choose my friends.
Yeah. It's not a happening.
I'm gonna hang out with you. It's good.
Yeah. Solid.
You don't have any dramas going on. You don't have a lot of bullshit going on. We can hang out. We can be buddies.
Yeah.
I chose to hang out with you. I didn't choose to go and hang out with XYZ.
Yeah.
I don't even hang out with a lot of friends that I used to hang out with.
Yeah.
For example, I love Kevin.
Yeah.
I don't have time to hang out with Kevin. Kevin lives too far away.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah.
I don't have time to hang out with Kevin.
Yeah.
Our lifestyles does not match.
Yeah.
I'm working in my corporate job and I'm working I'm running a store. I'm also doing this creative thing that I love doing.
Yeah.
I want to be my own man.
Yeah.
Nobody tells me what to do.
Yeah.
If you were here around in this area, we would definitely hang around and catch up.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly.
We live in this area, that's why we have time to catch up.
Exactly.
And then you're very much like me, you know, reserved. My shit is taken care of, then I can go, you know, dabble around a little bit, see what's going on. But I come home and you know, at the end of the day, and then do whatever I need to do.
Are you dating right now, Mo?
No.
Hey, ladies, you single? Are you Are you actively looking?
I'm not even looking because I'm so busy. But if somebody is like quality, because the next 7 years I'm gonna build my name.
Yeah.
This is where I wanna be running.
Yeah.
I wanna be walking down the streets of Dallas and everybody should be like, that's Mo, bro.
Yeah.
Don't fuck with this guy.
Yeah.
He's a great man. He's solid. He has ethics. He's hardworking, respectful. He's a real damn ass man. Work gets done in his watch. You see what I'm saying? For me to do that, I have to focus on work a lot.
Yeah.
I can't be hanging out with, I can't be dating just anybody.
Yeah.
That's gonna throw me off.
Has to be in line, right?
Yeah, because this is what I want. What's up, sweetie? This is what I want. This is what I want. I want to be my own. I want to establish myself. I want to establish my name. Like my old man did. My dad. You see, it goes back. It goes back to that one thing.
Yeah.
I saw my dad doing what he did.
Yeah.
I want to be that kind of person. Strong. Emotionally stable. In my watch, I don't want to be that guy who has financial problem when I grow up. The fuck is that?
Yeah. That's not good.
That is like... Dude, it is so depressing here. Everybody has some financial problem, Americans. What is going on?
When you talk about my startup, like, and pretty sure we'll talk about that,
Yeah.
but that's the reason. There's a lot of fucking financial problems. And it's over the
Dude,
simplest
it
shit.
makes sense. You have financial, you have started something.
Yeah.
Go around, look around you.
Yeah. And
People have always are struggling.
that's why I got started. Because I have this fucking... I had a problem. When I fixed my shit, I actually cared about other people's... I was like, fuck, I just went through that shit, bro.
It's tough.
Let me help you. And then it got into this routine of me helping, like, hey, man, look, this is what you do. This is how I can help you. Not just fucking giving. Just giving shit, giving handouts. No, like, this is the fucking blueprint. This is what's helped me. It may not be the fucking greatest thing, but it helped me. That's why I got into it.
You're talking about financially.
Yeah, like, financial simple shit.
That financial problem is not simple. That affects every sector of your life.
But the habits are simple.
Yeah.
The habits, like not fucking taking care of your responsibility, will lead to a loophole if you keep having the same fucking financial problems.
Yeah.
Like you get up at 4, right? Go to work. Some people don't get up. They miss their alarm because they're not committed. They're not disciplined. And they lose their job. You know how many people get fucking fired for simple shit like that? It happens every day. Shit, third time you Tommy, third time you relate. Bye. Now, no income coming in. Bill can't be paid. Kicked out. Now you can't take care of your family. Now your woman leaves you for another man who can do that. See how it trickles? Simple shit like that.
It's very simple. And
Now, your situation, of course, way different. You know?
but I know.
But we're talking about Americans,
Americans here, yes. Why do you, as an American in this rich country, have financial problem?
Why is the 1% of the population has most of the wealth?
That's my question.
Yeah.
Can you answer that? Dude, this is depressing. You know why?
Yeah.
This is depressing. I run a store. I run 2 stores, right?
Yeah.
This is not my corporate job. Everybody who comes in never has any money.
Same routine.
They can't even have $10 in their pocket sometimes. These are Americans, born and raised here. Doesn't have $10 in their pocket. Like, what's going on here? You don't have $10 in your pocket. You're coming to a store. How can you not have $10? But what? You look like you're healthy. You look completely normal.
You wanna know something that, and I'm speaking from experience of talking to these type of people. You wanna know the thing about that?
What?
They know the problem, and they won't fix it.
They know the problem.
They know the problem, and they won't fix it.
Why? Why would you want to be in that environment? You realize you see that.
I've talked to so many people, and then before I even give any type of guidance, and I know I have this problem, Ronnie, and I know I have this problem, and Ronnie, I know I do this, and Ronnie, I know I should change this and change that. So why the hell aren't you doing it? Why?
Just sad.
It's epiphany to it. It's like, oh my God, you know the problem, but you won't fix it. All right, what do they call that? What is that called?
I don't know.
Insanity?
No, that's called, hey immigrants, come over here, take our jobs and build this country.
And then complain when they do. Bro, I was just telling my brother Milton yesterday, which I wanted to have him on the show. Great. I was like, bro, he was talking about shit. He was like, man, I love that dude. Like, that dude he just go. Mo just go. You and Milton probably had, what, 2-3 conversations?
Yeah,
Milton?
very
Yeah.
close.
Yeah. He's just watching you, like, and I'm like, yeah, bro, man. Like, he was like, man, these immigrants come over here. They come over here and they just take care of business. And I was like, yeah, man, like, dude, our problems, very small to them. The fuck are you complaining about? And that's why I was like, I'm glad I got a friend like you, because you've expanded my mind on simple little fucking problems.
This is why I urge you one day to buy a ticket, go travel the world.